Yeah, afternoon. So this is where we are. They're doing the stairs. This is like for the staircase. For the staircase here. So this one here, they were debating around. They've had to chisel the wall in to put the. So this looks like 16 mm's mixed with 12 mm's to put the mat on the floor. To go up. So that's how they do the stairs. So the carpenter did the wood, and then the steel bender's done the steel in the middle, and then they're gonna do it all the way up to the top. As it's going up, with the man that cut the thing for me, did a hole for me. What's is it? The children, this is some Kaoji free steel bender now. Isn't Kaoji still free steel bender now? So look, see that little gap there they had a beef with. So in their infinite wisdom, they've got the guy there, the guy that charged me this little hole, he's also charged me extra for that little chisel. He just literally came to tell me now. So basically, they couldn't both decide. They've given it to next man to come and do it, so they can pay extra. So if you get someone to do your job for you, it's going to be these little extra things. They're trying to tell me that between them two, they said it should have been a steel bender that did it. He literally ran away and didn't tell me, and taking the money and ran off. And I gave him extra as well. I gave him extra. Yeah. So now they're down there. Oh yeah, that's the pipe coming across. You see there? So that's the pipe for the toilet here. I wish I could show you up there. So what they've done is they put stones in the morning to make sure that they can have a level between the iron rods and the floor, so that when they put the pipes, it won't burst. And then from there, they put and then from there, so that they can lay the pipes. We're putting four lights to a room, which is excessive. It should be around. And again, it boils down to what I've been trying to preach all this time. If I have an idea what I need to do, I mean, we had two in there, two lights, two fans, 2 lights, 2 fans, one in a bathroom, or the washroom, gents, whatever you want to call it. And then that's what the plan. But now, when I came, they was laying it there. As I was showing. So again, I keep saying this, but yeah, it's so tough because it starts so early. And by the time I go home, I'm so tired. And even when I get here 8 is so late, but I should really kind of clear, you know. So basically, doing 400 pipes, and then now it's gonna be you're on the spot and you have to make a decision, because you're thinking, if I have the lights, there's nothing wrong with it. But if I don't have it, but 2 lights should be fine anyway. So I want to go up there and probably show you. Go up there and show you. Look. But it's difficult to climb through here because they've done this thing here. So I can't reach up there. But I'll see. So that's the fan hook. The fan hook, you can see they've made a hole there. And they've made a hole here as well. So every single place is gonna have two. Yeah, one there. I was gonna put one at the front, but apparently it's unnecessary. So I have one there, one there. There's gonna be one light here, one light here, and four lights with TV socket there and a normal socket next to the TV socket, and then a cable and TV cable, and then maybe internet as well. I'm gonna put that cable as well, so that basically when you come in, you've got all provisions. I could leave it, and the AC is gonna come here. I could leave it, but then whoever comes in there to do it. But I'm thinking if I leave the provision, and then you buy your own equipment if you want to use it or not. So that's the plan. Yeah, you see, that's the pipes coming through here. Yeah, there's the pipes coming through here as well. Another one here. So the steel bender did that for me, even though he's run away. After they took the one, he's run away because the chiseling. They want to take something from me. Unbelievable. But yeah, as I told you last time, there's nothing for free in this place. Nothing. Zero. There's no favors. So if you take friendliness for favors, you're in trouble, mate. He's literally next door, and he's come down. And the worst thing is, he says, "Oh, I can't charge you." That's even worse. If he charges you, you can even bargain or know his thing or not. But if he doesn't charge you, then you're fucked. There you go. That's them lot here. We've got 3 people. It's beautifully hot. Beautifully hot. That's the pillars that I'm going to be renting out. And all this time, I should have gone there. Right now, I would have made some money. That's them there.